Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me just 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering pretty much everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't care about, or that doesn't even matter, just to stretch the video to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best to fix Disney Plus not working issues right now, plus a few key things about each one that actually matter. That way, you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my full research document completely free and read it for the rest of the year. No joke. Alright, let's jump right in. Top 3 VPN services to fix Disney Plus not working with VPNs, and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN to fix Disney Plus not working issues. Why? Well, first off, it actually works with Disney Plus. It bypasses geo-blocks and VPN detection every time. Super important, right? Speed? It's literally one of the fastest I tested. No buffering, super smooth streaming, and 0 connection drops. Features? It packs the most features of any VPN I've seen. Kill switch, meshnet, built-in antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's got it. All helping keep your connection stable and secure while you stream. Pricing and support? Great price for what it offers, and support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, they don't. That's a fact. What about encryption? They use the best encryption tech out there, so your streaming stays private. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no Disney Plus issues, and fairly cheap for all the extras. Negatives? The only thing, a 10-device limit. Second best VPN to fix Disney Plus not working is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward no BS VPN built for smooth streaming with 0 interruptions. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently stable connections. No buffering spikes, no slowdowns, just seamless streaming. Features, it has all the essentials a streamer needs, plus a few extras. Reliable kill switch, split tunneling, awesome if you want only Disney Plus to use the VPN or vice versa. Pricing and support, one of the best bang for your buck VPNs out there. Often cheaper than others, but still delivers top tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Do they keep logs? Nope, they have an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption, AES 256, the best out there. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which freaks out privacy nerds, but their no logs audit does check out. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set it and forget it VPN, perfect for Disney Plus with 0 hassle. Third best VPN to fix Disney Plus not working is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization here, which helps dodge Disney Plus VPN blocks. Speed? Very good. Tons of servers means you can always find a fast, uncrowded one near you, no buffering. Features? Loaded kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and tons of customization options to optimize your connection. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium VPN on this list. Support is solid and professional. Do they keep logs? No way. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best tech available, and it's customizable too. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app isn't as clean or user-friendly as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you want to save money but still watch Disney Plus hassle-free with advanced features. And that's it. My top 3 picks to fix Disney Plus not working with VPNs: NordVPN, IPVanish, and PIA. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you choose any of these VPNs just because of their colors or logos, you'll be more than fine. They just work to unblock Disney Plus. Quick recap if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Disney Plus. Fast, feature-packed, premium experience. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN with incredible value and smooth streaming. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but want a VPN with a massive server network and tons of advanced features to watch Disney Plus hassle-free. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description so you can get the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.